Let me tell you about rhubarb. Rhubarb can't wait for spring. It's the first thing that comes up in your garden, but you have to pick it to keep it from bolting. Because you want to have rhubarb for all those things like jams, pies, jellies, barbecue sauce, all that great stuff you want to make with your rhubarb. And I'm going to show you how to preserve it for the whole year. So it doesn't matter how beautiful these leaves are, you can't eat them. They're poisonous. You got to get rid of them. All you have to do is chop it up. So every piece goes onto a tray and then we're going to freeze it. After they're chopped up, put them onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, into the freezer. When they're frozen, all you have to do is put them into a Ziploc bag, and then you got them for as long as you want them.